Well, the saga of one of Little Rock's most notorious apartment complexes is now nearing its conclusion.
Today, a Pulaski County Circuit Court judge ordered the former owners of Big Country Chateau to pay the state of Arkansas more than $11 million. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley has more for us tonight. Andrew.
Sued in 2022 by the state of Arkansas and the city of Little Rock, Big Country Chateau became a byword for neglected low-income housing with shady ownership. Arkansas Attorney General Tim Griffin says it was one of his top priorities when he first took office.
This is one of the final decisions that we need to really hold this company accountable. It's over $11 million for over 5,000 violations of the Arkansas Deceptive Trade Practices Act.
Big Country Chateau was notorious for atrocious code enforcement violations, with rampant mold and pests among other issues. The apartment's former owners, Apex Equity Group and its subsidiaries, were accused by the state of not paying tenants' utility bills and instead pocketing the money, meaning that at times tenants went without utilities like gas. It was all part of a wider conspiracy. Last year, Aaron Puritz, an executive at Apex Equity Group, pled guilty in federal court to engaging in a multi-state conspiracy to fraudulently obtain over $54 million in loans and to fraudulently acquire properties including Big Country Chateau. He was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Griffin said that after Apex Equity Group failed to show up in court last August in the state's case against it, a Pulaski County Circuit judge granted a default judgment against them, allowing for the penalties announced today.
We are assessing the finances of the company, that the assets were frozen. So we have to figure out what is next in terms of collecting on the penalties.
After it foreclosed in 2023, Big Country Chateau was sold at auction to Big Country Note.
It was eventually sold to an LLC that was vetted.
The Pulaski County Circuit Court has also revoked the Arkansas business license of Apex Big Chateau AR LLC, which is the only current Arkansas business license held by the apartment's former owners.
The signal that it sends to others who might right now, unbeknownst to us, unbeknownst to the press, be doing some of these same sorts of things around the state. This sends a signal that if we find out about it, we're going to stop it.
It's become almost a rite of passage for reporters at KATV to do a story on Big Country Chateau, but it looks now like the story may be drawing to a close. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Andrew, you are in good company. Thanks very much. You can browse years of our coverage of the Big Country Chateau apartments on KATV.com.